guys! Welcome to my first ever YouTube channel. I decided to create my own YouTube channel to inspire and create different kinds of tips. I will be uploading videos for financial tips, freelancing tutorials, travel tips on a budget, if ever pwede na po tayo mag-travel, and also product reviews for my e-commerce store. So, because we want you to know kung of quality your products na i-launch na. Now, to give love on Christmas Day, we have a challenge, and of course, this is my first YouTube video. It's called Ipon ko Hula Mo Challenge First Edition. So, I was inspired by Sir Chinkee Tan's video last September 2020. I don't know the exact date. And I decided na mag-ipon ng mga 50 peso bill. And then I put in 1,000 pesos. And then the new coins, the 10 pesos, and then the 20 pesos. Now, ang catch nito is I will be giving away prizes, cash prizes. And you can get the cash prizes via GCash, PayPal, BPO, or BPI. So, ang cash nito is huhulaan mo lang kung magkano yung naipon ko from September 2020 to December 23, 2020. So, the cut-off of your hula will be on December of 2020. All you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then in the comment section, dun nyo ilalagay yung hula nyo. Now, the prizes will be, for the first prize, it will be 1,000 pesos. Second prize will be 800 pesos. And then the third prize will be 500 pesos. Anyway, this is just for fun. And at least I will be able to help you start with your savings. And then you can start the 2021 right. I will show you guys kung magkano na yung, show lang kung magkano na yung pera. So, you'll have an idea kung magkano yung iuhula nyo. So, yes. Kailangan nyo lang mag-subscribe to my channel and then put in your hula. So, yeah. Let us see. Marami na siya. Actually, I don't even know yung amount na to. So, ito lang yung ginagamit ko kasi nakaka-excite siyang tingnan dahil parami siya ng parami. So, yan. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa pong mag-ipon. So, yan. So, yan guys. I hope ma-inspire kayo na mag-save kasi if there's anything that will happen since we are in pandemic, no, we are ready, or kung may mangyari man, we can save up for our emergency and savings fund. Now, for example, ang total na naipon ko is about 20,000. Tapos yung ang hula mo is 19,980 pesos. So, probably, kung ikaw yung pinakamalapit, you'll get the chance to win the cash prize. And then, for example, kailangan i-check niyo po yung comment section kung may nakahula na nung amount na nasa isip niyo. Kasi kung dalawa kayo na humula nun, yung unang humula, yung mas nauna sa inyo, yun yung mabibigyan ng prize. And since I was inspired by Sir Chinkee Tan's book, and I want you to be inspired as well na mag-ipon for the next year, to start your year right, we are selling the books of Sir Chinkee Tan. So this is Diary of a Pulube, my utang-free diary, my budget diary, and then my Ipon diary. You can avail this. If bibili kayo ng per piece, it will be 150 pesos each. But if you're gonna buy two for 299 pesos, you can get one Ipon challenge can. Ito, meron itong desired amount na mahihipon nyo by the end of the year. Now, it's up to you kung ayun ba yung mas natitrail ka na gawin. Kasi ako, mas gusto ko yung hindi ko alam kung magkano yung naipon ko. But, nag-iipon pa rin ako. We'll be counting the money on December 23, 2020 after the cutoff of 12 midnight. So, we will be counting the money, and I will be uploading second video dun sa pagbilang ng money, and we will be announcing the winners on Christmas Day. So, on Christmas Day, yung mga lucky winners na nakahula yung mas malapit dun sa amount, or kung eksakto yung nahulaan niya, much better. I-announce po namin on December 25, 2020, and we will reach out to you on how you can claim the prizes. So, yun guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo, just like, subscribe, and put your hula in the comment section. Stay inspired and positive. Bye!